Eyewitness News has more local coverage for you now. Keeping kids off the streets. A local program is helping children stay safe this summer, especially in Providence, where there's been a rash of violence in recent weeks. Colby Dennis from Project Night Vision joins us now in studio with more. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Tell me about this program. It's so important. We read about these stories, unfortunately, a lot on the news every morning, and we'd like to not read about them. So how are you doing this to help?
I'm doing great. First of all, thanks for having me. And I just want to say the Project Night Vision program started pretty much for the need to get young people off the streets at night. And so far, we've been doing that job. And
this also provides a learning experience for these kids. So it's kind of a, I say a 2-for-1 special, but there's more than one aspect to this program. Tell us about that.
There's several components. We have intramural sports. We have guest speakers come in, such as the mayor, the head of the state police, the Providence police, anchormen like yourself will come in and talk about what they do. So pretty much the young people go out there with a sense of pride and hope and say, you know, I can do that, and instead of doing some of the things that some of the teens have been doing on the streets lately.
And what has the response been like, and what motivated you to start this, and have you been satisfied with what you've seen so far as kids coming to your program versus, you know, just sitting around on the street and getting in trouble?
Well, what motivated this program was the gap in services. Children over the age of 12 years old, there's really nothing for them to do. Under 12 and under, there's plenty of places to go. You have the Boys and Girls Club, the YMCA's, but over 12, they stop accepting them in most programs, especially at the times that I operate, which is 6:30 to about 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night.
What's the response been like as far as kids? Have you seen the attendance grow over the last couple of weeks?
Over the last
really?
3 years, it's went from, you know, 1 to well over 1,000 young people. Yes.
How do people get involved that are watching right now that think, hey, this is a perfect opportunity to get my teenager off the street and involved in something productive? Because summer's a tough time.
Very tough time. It's definitely the highest crime rate for young people ages 12 to 18, especially during the hours. Those are considered the peak hours, 6:30 to about 10 o'clock. So people can get involved by just contacting myself, KOBIUS71 @ Hotmail, or just give me a call. I'm located on Facebook. I'm just an easy guy to contact. So
what, on Facebook, just
Facebook on Project Night Vision.
Project Night Vision.
Or my email is best, or like I said, telephone number, which was given. You guys were great by putting it up on the screen. The last story that you guys covered.
And also, I want to ask you about donations, because to fund these types of programs, you folks rely on people helping you out with financial assistance. Talk about how people can get involved in that aspect.
Yes, this program is probably 90% covered by donations and support, whether in kind, volunteers. And we want people, what we want the viewer to know is that you don't have to give cash, or we like cash, of course, but we like people to come in and share their stories and share their experiences, and that's what really helps. So just coming in, dropping by, dropping off some supplies or water or snacks or anything. We have people that donate from all over the state. Barrington, Cranston, Warwick. It's people are realizing that it's not just a Providence problem; it's a Rhode Island problem, and the violence has to stop. And this is one way to stop it.
So donate your time and your money if you can. Thanks so much for coming in this morning. Continued success with this program. It's been a great help to the kids in Providence so far. For more information on Project Night Vision or how you can help, it's all online on our website. Just go to foxprovidence.com.